Imagine someone refusing to use an electric car saying, engines have always run on gasoline. Why change now? Sounds old-fashioned? It is. But our minds love the comfort of what's familiar. That's the appeal to tradition. It's always been this way, so it must be right. The appeal to tradition happens when we assume something is true, good, or better simply because it's been around for a long time. You'll hear it in business. We've always done it this way. In culture, this custom has stood for centuries. It can't be wrong. Or in everyday life, my parents raised me like this, so it must be the right way. In each case, the past becomes the only proof. Why does it work? Because tradition feels safe. It connects us to identity, heritage, and belonging. Change, on the other hand, feels risky. But longevity isn't the same as truth. A mistake can last just as long as wisdom. How do you catch it? Notice when someone uses time as evidence. Ask, is it good because it's old, or old because it's good? Then look for reasons, not just rituals. What works should stand on its own merits, not on its age. Respect traditions, sure, but don't worship them. Every belief, every habit, every "we've always done it this way" deserves a fresh look. Next, it's new, so it must be better. We'll explore the appeal to novelty.
Think critically, see clearly. Searchlighter.